Alright guys, no messing around. 35 ways to save fuel in less than 6 minutes. Let's go. Save the date. Plan your trip ahead of time. Kind of like getting married. You know you are getting screwed, but you might as well make the best of it. Home is where the heart is. Stay home. Stop popping and locking it every weekend. You can stay home and still be considered a cool person. Save that fuel so the next time you do go out, you can buy even more alcohol for you and your crazy friends. Hitchhike. Carpool. I meant carpool. Please don't get in vehicles with strangers. Junk in your trunk. Remove unnecessary weight in your vehicle. However, if you are overweight, you can also shed some pounds. Inflation. Keep your tires properly inflated. You lose about 10% fuel economy when your tire pressure is underinflated by 5 psi. Neutral. Do not put your vehicle in neutral when coasting, ever. Modern day vehicles will shut your fuel off when you let off the gas, but will keep sending fuel when you put it in neutral. To cruise. Use cruise control during highway driving, or not to cruise. Do not use cruise control in the city or in the highway around traffic if you have adaptive cruise control. Calm down, you little speed demon. 10% of fuel is saved by driving 55 miles per hour instead of 65. Filter out the haters. Get rid of that dirty air filter you were supposed to replace 14 months ago, you lazy Line it up. Make sure you have a good alignment on your vehicle. Tires that aren't properly aligned tend to fight each other and waste fuel. Lube reduces friction. Change that oil. This has more benefits than just getting better fuel economy. If you didn't know, Mr. I have 32,000 miles and changed my Toyota Corolla's oil exactly 0 times. Thick isn't always better. Using the proper weighted oil in your vehicle is crucial to your engine's efficiency. The viscosity can be found in your owner's manual that you probably still haven't even looked at. Upgrade. Trade in that V8 for a hybrid. Just kidding, don't do that. But you could consider trading in for a twin turbo V6. Do it yourself. Change your own oil. Stop being lazy. Challenge accepted. Put that fuel economy display front and center in your gauge cluster and see how high it can go. And do this for the whole tank of gas, not just when you're coasting down a hill, you cheater. Frostbite is painful. Use your AC sparingly. Turning it on for 5 minutes and then shutting it off for 5 minutes is better than leaving it on all the time. Sunburn is painful. Park under a tree or somewhere else in the shade. If your interior is steaming hot, you will run the AC in your car for a longer period of time. Tailgate. Leave those tailgates up or invest in a bed cover. Take a shower. Believe it or not, a dirty vehicle can reduce your fuel economy. Unnecessary weight, less aerodynamic. It's science, you wouldn't get it. Smooth and steady wins the race. Anticipating how traffic is moving can help you smoothly accelerate and decelerate, which will increase your fuel economy and as an added bonus, save your brakes from prematurely wearing. But you have to put that phone down. Like seriously, it's 2022 and you're still texting and driving? Adjust your attitude, bucko. If you are angry, you are more inclined to mash the throttle and the brake pedal. This reduces fuel economy and destroys your brakes. So put a smile on your face and remember, things could always be worse. Like you could be driving a Prius. If you are driving a Prius, remember you could be driving a Honda Insight. Yuck. Sam asked Costco for some BJ. Blueberry jam. Get your head out of the gutter. Moving on. If you have a wholesale membership, make sure you take advantage of their gas prices. Sam's Club, Costco, and BJ's Wholesale Club typically have some of the cheapest prices around. If you aren't a member, consider becoming one. The foam in the sea. You've seen this product quite a few times on this channel, but Seafoam is great at cleaning those clogged fuel injectors. Clogged fuel injectors can cause other fuel injectors to work harder, meaning more fuel is being used. Raise the roof. Take those bike racks off your roof. They are causing unnecessary drag. Scam alert, do not trust aftermarket companies that claim, for $40, this device can increase your fuel economy by 25%. No, it can't, and it won't. Stop falling for this. Gas go burr. Buy gas when it's cold outside. Lower temperatures means, never mind. It's science. Again, you wouldn't get it. Highway gas stations are a no-no. It's a trap. They know you just want to fuel up and get moving, so they jack up the gas price without a care in the world. Shocking revelations. Make sure you keep up on those spark plugs. Worn out plugs can cause the engine to be confused and throw in more fuel than it needs. Do it yourself part 2. Drive a manual. Science may argue with this one, but in my non-professional opinion, driving a manual will always be more efficient than an automatic. You control the gears better than an auto. You are more engaged in driving, so you can predict what you need to do faster. Therefore, it increases the efficiency of your vehicle. And more importantly, more than anything else in the world, manuals are just more fun. I mean, just look at this kid's face. Do you think he will drive an automatic when he grows up? Not a chance. Long and slow. Choose the best route to get to your destination. Sometimes driving a few more miles will result in less fuel being used. Is that a banana in your pocket, or there are tons of fuel-saving apps available on both iOS and Android? Take advantage of them and find the cheapest gas near you. Cashback rewards. Check with your credit card company and see if they offer rewards for filling up your tank. After filling up, make sure you pay off the credit card to avoid paying too much in interest. Idling is bad. Restarting an engine uses about the same amount of gas as 30 seconds of idling, so shut those engines off when you aren't moving. Tint your ride. If your interior is scorching hot, you will run your AC more often and longer. Window tint can reduce interior temperatures up to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. See, I told you it'd be done in less than 6 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Church Shift Garage content. We'll see you on the next one.